Hello everyone, Abi Tobiah here. I'm welcoming you all to another deep review. Today we're going to be reviewing a popular word processor ebook maker called Sqribble. It's really popular among affiliate marketers. Right now I've seen a lot of videos claiming to review this product, this software. Sqribble says it claims to be an ebook making software, and a lot of affiliate marketers have jumped on this and made several videos. So this is Sqribble's own website, their own lead page or landing page, so to speak. So Sqribble says that they can make this. This Sqribble claims to be able to create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words. Now that is a claim that can make anyone, just anyone, want to buy this software. So in fact, there's a promo going on right now. If you go through ClickBank, I think it says world's #1 ebook creator August sales with 60% off now if you buy this ebook through our unique link that we will provide in the description of this video. Alright, so this is the landing page on Sqribble. We want to see whether Sqribble is really what it claims to be, or whether it's just a scam, or whether it's just one of those shams out there that just claim to do something that they don't do or that they cannot do. So for first, this claim is really too good to be true, because any software that claims to create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words, it's too amazing, it's too credible or incredible to be true. So they said that you can find ebooks on demand, 50 hot templates, 300 style layouts, unlimited pages, and sell to clients. Another page here that it's easy to use, 15 niche categories, auto content writer, commercial license, and agency website. So you can get Sqribble through our link for a 60% off if you use the link we provide in the description below. Instead of buying it at $197, you can buy it for $67. Alright, now let's get into the review of Sqribble. So I said Sqribble, you can use this software. It's not really a computer app. That means you cannot really download the software and use, but it's a website where you can access everything that it's on. For the sake of this video, I purposely did not use the normal review that everybody always uses. The other affiliate marketers would just have the review product and they would show the whole world that okay, this is what this is, that is what that is. But for the purpose of this video, we got the real version of Sqribble so that we can test it and show you guys how Sqribble works and whether it is really a scam or whether it does what they say it does. So first of all, they said Sqribble creates ebooks with just a click and a design to publish your own ebooks in minutes. They claim that you should not search for a good designer on freelance sites. They should not wait for 5 to 14 days for the designer to come back only to hate it. Okay, I know nobody does that. So no installation required. Sqribble is compatible on all computers. Alright, let's get straight into it. Now this is Sqribble website, sqribble.net. Once you've bought their whether it's a basic, they have a basic plan, they have a pro plan. So once you buy any of those plans, you can actually get into this site where you can find the templates. There are really so many templates that you can have access to that you can use immediately. Just click and open, and you can edit them and use them to create any kind of books that you want to in real time. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to try to design an ebook on a long blog post that I just finished writing not long ago. So let's get into Sqribble. Now my article that I just finished writing is based around WordPress, how to make money through WordPress. So you can actually scroll down through all these templates to find which one you want, or you can just use the search tab on top of this here, and try searching for whatever you need. So let me try searching WordPress and see if I can find something of that sort. So we'll wait until it loads to see if there are any templates. Okay, there are no templates around the word WordPress. So let's try make money. So this is to show you that there are actually limited limited templates, keywords that you can actually find, but you can edit any of these books and use them any way you want. So I can use these three because they have the keyword make money, make money, make money. So I like this one, the one in the middle, better. So I can view it to see if it makes sense for what I want and check through the pages. So, or I can just click this use tab and open it directly. So let's view all the three to see the kind of pages they all have before we start. So you can see that the ebooks are really there, but most of the words, most of the content in those ebooks are just generated automatically by the computer, so we cannot use them. So let's try picking this middle one, how to make money blogging, and use it for my post. So first of all, I get to give my ebook a name. So let's say make money with WordPress. All right, make money with WordPress, and then I get to click next. So in this new tab, after I click next from there, I can choose any of these 5 options. You can grab content from a URL, that is a website link that you already have the content on. You can just click this tab and post the link in it, and then they claim to use all the content from your link, from your website, to turn it into an ebook, just like that. Now this second one claims to help you write the ebook from scratch. That is, you are going to use your own manual way to write the ebook, copy and paste. The third one means you're going to copy the content from anywhere and you paste it in the fields in the templates that you choose. And this last one, upload word and text. That is, you are going to have the book written before, and then you just upload it as a Word file, that is doc file. And the last one, start from article collection. I think this one, I've never used it before, but I'm going to use it in this video so that we'll see what it really does. So for first, I'm going to start with the fourth one to show you how Sqribble works when we upload a Word document. So I click next. Now it asks me which file do I want to upload. Is it doc file or txt? So it's a doc file, so I click that. And yes, this is it, how to make money with WordPress. So let's go. I click finish to upload it. Well, that is not good. That is really not good. Okay. Now one thing is, I was watching a video, one of those videos out there, a person, the YouTuber was saying that Sqribble is the best software out there. It doesn't have any glitch, it doesn't have any issue. And looking at this is the biggest glitch anything like this can ever give me. So I wasn't expecting it to just jumble all the words together like this. They said I would not need to type a single word, and now I have to type WordPress all over again. Okay, that font is too big. I can change the size. Okay, font size from here. Let's say we have it into 110. That's enough. Now make money with it, just jumbles the entire title of the book. So that means I have to delete everything I wrote here. Okay, let me use this. Let me try this part. How to make money. Oh dear. With WordPress, everything is just jumbled together on the tab, and that doesn't make sense. It actually is supposed to delete the ready-made contents from the template and replace it with the doc that I uploaded, but it didn't do that. It just jumbled all the content together, and that is not fair. That is a very bad glitch for something that is sold for $197. Really not fair. Okay, so I got that fixed. I wrote the words by myself. So let me fix the author name, Abby Tabaya, and delete the template author name. Alright, now that is that. Now I do not know how to start fixing this table of content. Everything is just jumbled around and doesn't look good. So because I don't even know how to start or where to start from, I'm just going to leave this at that. And let's go into the real content, the body of the book. Okay, this was a title page. So this is the original book that I wrote, that I uploaded to Sqribble. Now you'd see how to make money with WordPress is the title. I believe that since Sqribble is automated, it's supposed to know that this is the title and make it different from the other body of the text, but it doesn't. So this means that I'm just going to start looking for a way to make this this sentence different from the other parts of the text. Perhaps maybe I could just make it bold. Okay, that works. Right, but still I'm not satisfied. I want my title to be a little bigger than the other body of the content, but I don't think there's another way to make that happen. Okay, let me try this. Alright, I can change the font size around here. So let's make the font size 26. Oh dear, it actually changed the entire font size of the block. That is not good. That is really not good. Okay, so that is a big glitch. Now, how to make money with WordPress is heading 2. Still give it the same size, the same manner as the body of the text. Still doesn't make sense. Now let's look through the entire book to see if there are other glitches. Okay, for instance, look at the second page. It just puts the content that's supposed to be on the next page onto the other page, and this just doesn't make sense. I don't think I'd pay money to have my content jumbled up like this by something that I believe should be premium, something that I want to get value from. I paid for this. Come on. Okay, so I do not like the parts, the export to video, PDF, or sorry, the exporting the doc file into Sqribble part does not really work. Too much glitches in that part. So I'm going back without saving so that we can choose another option and try how that would work. So I've gone back to the starting line, square one. So let's go again. It asked me if I want to use the freehand editor 2.0 recommended, so yes. Alright, we started with this one, the upload word or text file. Alright, so let me use this the first one as the second part, grab from URL. So I have opened my URL for Udemy review on deepreview.net. If you want to see it, deepreview.net says, is Udemy really worth it? So I'm going to take the URL link and paste it here and see how that would go. So click finish. So I want to see how well it can get the content, grab the content from that page, from that website page, and turn it into an ebook. Oh yeah, I can see from the background. All right. Okay, now this time around, perhaps because the table of contents here I mean, everything in this page is not that much like the book I first uploaded. The table of content is a little bit better, but still the title is really bad. Really bad. The title is Udemy Review. Is it really worth it? Udemy Review 2020. Is Udemy worth it? That's the title. So in here now, it just puts that behind the title, make money blogging, and that is a big glitch that they should fix. So that means I'd have to first of all delete the entire former title that was in the book before I can have my own new title. That is a glitch for me, if you ask me. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this like this and go over author name. I'm also going to leave that for now. Okay, the header, the footer, I think I would have to edit this, but okay, it's not editable. How would I be able to move this? Okay, I should be able to do something about that. That's the header, right? Okay, so I can move the other width. Yeah. Oh dear. Okay, I can't move that. Alright, so it's still just this header graphics that is moving, not the text. So, well, this one is really better than the doc file uploading. The reason I said that is that it actually found out the parts which we put the headers in the post and used the headers the same way it was in the post. So that is good. That's one good thing. But still, the same glitch that was there is still the same glitch we are finding here, because the header is putting the title in over the text, which is not supposed to be like that. Okay, nice, really beautiful. It even imported the pictures. That's great. That's really nice. So it imported the pictures, but still, the glitches of it overlapping text doesn't really make sense. It's not really worth it. If I have to look through and make it change all these things, I wasn't expecting any glitch with what I was hearing. I mean, everything that I've heard about this software, I was not expecting it to have any single glitch. So all these problems that we have are not making it any better. Okay, so I'm not going to save this either because it's not looking good. So I'm going to go back and try another testing of the same template using another method that is on the website. Okay, so let's go again. Click next, create your ebook and let me start writing and create a beautiful ebook with this option. Okay, let's try this one. It's even the recommended option. So click on finish. So let's click on finish and let us prepare the content. Okay, so this case, you are going to have only the templates to work with. So with the template is what you're going to edit by yourself all together. So let's say I'm still going to, this is the entire template. What we saw in the template is what we just imported, and we're just going to have to type our words into it. We're just going to manually input the content. So we can manually input the content and change the background. Yeah, you can change the background, you can change the images, and you can use images from, it has a stock image part in it. I mean, a section where you can add stock images and add new pages from the content, the title page. Yes, and I click on the setting here. This is the picture on the cover picture is from this website. So if you want to make any changes, you can take that picture out. As you see, everything is blank, and you can add your own URL, or whether you have the image somewhere, you can add it into it, and you can also upload from your computer or from anywhere else. So if you have your image perhaps on your computer, you can just upload it there, and voila, there you go. So I'm not going to change that, so we are going to leave it for now. Okay, so in with this method now, you can change everything, including the pictures. For instance, since I was talking about WordPress or Udemy, I can change this picture, clicking on this, I've as talked about, this is the URL where this picture came from. So if I want to use a new picture, perhaps maybe I want to take a picture from our website and add it there. I can just copy the website link, the image link, and Control V in here and have the image there automatically. So that is really a nice intuition and a good thing from the software. It's really nice. You can change everything, almost anything, and edit anything you want. You can duplicate with this method. Okay, that is to move this element to another page. Really beautiful. So this is the duplicate, I think. The only glitch I'm angry with on this software is how this tab goes off when you do not over this element any longer, for instance. So okay, if I need to clone or duplicate this element, this is what I just need, and I would have to drag it down with this anywhere I want. Okay, so if I want to delete it, I would just, come on. Now I do not like this. Takes too much time. Now how much longer do I have? Oh, they promised that I can make an ebook in 5 minutes. I spent more just deleting an element. Okay, so we have this now. Let's say I want to change this lorem ipsum blah blah blah. You can change it into anything you want and input your content. You can always copy your content from a book that you have written before and paste it in here. All right, so let's go into another method to create an ebook on Sqribble. Going back to a template, we're going to use the same template, okay? So, but this time we're going to use a different method. We've tested this method, we've tested this method, and this method. So, this method. Okay. So, this method requires that I copy content and paste it anywhere. Okay, let me copy content from my work. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, that's enough. So, copy, Control C. Let me do it from here. And go back to Sqribble and Control. It should be a paste. Okay, no paste. Then Control V. All right, so we have it exactly as we had it. Right. I mean, everywhere everywhere that was bold was still bold here, and my headings are still my headings. Okay, so let me click finish and see what it does with this. Create a title. Come on, come on, come on. Make money. Oh, booze. This is really not good. Still the same problem. It will not change the topic. It will just overlay it, or it's not even overlaying. It just overlaps. The former topic overlaps your topic, whatever that is. Okay. But still, the body makes a real good thing. The only thing is that I can always move. Can you just wait? The toolbar is always disappearing before you touch it. Okay? Now, another problem I have with Sqribble software is that I cannot align the text automatically. I have to use the judgment of my eyes. If my eyes cannot see it clearly, then I can just create a book that everything goes, ziggly like that. Doesn't make sense, does it? So I have to always be keen and check if it is aligning. Okay, I think based on my judgment it is right now. Okay, let's move. So okay, it saw that this one is a headline because it's bold or because it's a bigger font. So let's try to move it up a little bit, and this one too, we can move it up a little bit. I'm squinting my eye right now to see if it's aligning with the others. But okay, so we can export or generate ebook by clicking here or clicking publish, to post it up the internet. Okay, let's go to the last the last method that is promised. Now click on next, And yes, we are looking at this. Start article from article collection. This option will show the article collection. You can start from these articles. So here, let's go. Damn. So there are several articles. As I said, I've never ever come to this part of the software since I've been using it. So there are several articles here. Search WordPress and click on search all articles. Click on search. Okay, this is getting started with an affiliate marketing website. Okay, now this is better. So much better. Okay, why should you blog? Make money blogging. I like this one. So I came back online and clicked finish. So let's see what it makes with that. The data is successfully saved. Alright, make money blogging. Right. But still, make money with WordPress, make money blogging. Oh yeah, I named the ebook Make Money with WordPress. But it is already supposed to change the title. Okay, so let's see. Let me take out this. You'd have to take out the former title that was on the book before you can work. Okay, make money blogging. Okay, now this brought in the free article that we found directly on the website. So if I'm going to use this for a lead page, it's really beautiful. I can use this anytime I want. I can use this for anything. As they said, oh, okay, this block of text is not aligning with the first one, so I'd have to. Now this is giving me too much trouble to align the text. Okay, now still the same thing. It's bringing the footer and overlaying it with the text, and that doesn't make sense, does it? So let's put this up. Okay. Alright, I think that does it. Okay, so we have a thank you page. So we can basically change almost everything on this book. We can look up the pages. We can add a new page. We can clone a page. We can delete a page or remove a page. We can change the cover and all that. We can also talk about the elements, each element, the paragraphs, the footer, the page number, and all the other elements. We can colorize the book to whatever color we want. For instance, if I choose this and I go back to the background color, I can change the background color, I can change the text color, and I can try to align the text. It's already in center. I can align it right or left. So I can do basically anything here, and I can add new content, whether still from article collection or copy and pasting, or from the URL, or from wherever I want. So let's say I'm okay, I'm satisfied with this book. I can click generate ebook and use the PDF method to change it to PDF. So now I can download the PDF file, or I can still use more ebook formats: Amazon Kindle format, EPUB format, Mobi format. Really beautiful. I love this part of it. So once I download my ebook, it's really nice. So very good. I downloaded the ebook, and this is my ebook. So I can sell this ebook. I can use it on my website for a lead page, a lead magnet. I can use it for basically anything. But my bane is that it does not really do everything they say it does. First of all, Sqribble claims to help me create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes. Well, depends on what you think 5 minutes is. I spent more than 5 minutes creating, I'm trying all sorts of your types, but unless you want to actually use the content that it's in the article generator, then maybe you can create ebooks in 5 minutes. But you should know that once you use that, there are also many people who would use the same article as you in different books. So you if you want something that's original as an author, you have to really use your own content. So you can get Sqribble if you like what you see. If you want to create books that have really nice interface, that you can add images anywhere very easily. You can add images very easily on Sqribble. You can do anything, basically anything with your ebook. You can change the pages, you can change the pictures, the images. You can change basically anything on Sqribble with your ebook. But my bane is that Sqribble still has several glitches. It's not really as good as they say it is. It still really needs so much work. It really needs so much work. So basically that is just the basic part of Sqribble, everything about Sqribble. So if you buy Sqribble, you get several things. For instance, you get what we call Flipbook. Sqribble has a Flipbook package. It also has a package for 3D covers. It has a package where you can make 3D covers for your book to sell your books on other websites. And Flipbooks is that app or software that would open the book automatically as if somebody is reading a physical book. It's really nice for Sqribble. But if you want to really buy it, the link is below. Please use that link so that we can get a small commission from Sqribble. You can always try Sqribble because Sqribble is really nice. Sqribble has amazing templates. It has several beautiful features that would really blow your mind. But if it's left to me, it's too much for $197 or $67. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we drop a new video. Ciao.